Hi guys, welcome once again to this channel. I know you might be wondering, how do I boost my memory or boost the memory of my child? Is there any way to boost my memory and thinking capacity? This is the right place for you. Today we will explore 4 easy ways to boost your memory and thinking capacity. Before we continue, if you like videos like this, kindly subscribe to this channel. Making life easier for educative videos like this. Kindly like and hit the notification bell as well. The brain houses our mind and memory. In this video we shall only highlight the parts of the brain responsible for memory. Portions of the brain associated with memory are the prefrontal cortex, hippocampus, neocortex, amygdala and cerebellum. These parts are responsible for both short-term memory and long-term memory. Short-term memory is referred to information and facts stored for a very short time, like remembering previous sentences read in an article, remembering where you placed a pen 2 minutes ago, remembering the name of someone you spoke to some few seconds ago. The prefrontal cortex is responsible for coordinating such short-term recalls, while amygdala is responsible for recalling fearful experience and moments. Cerebellum is for procedural memories. The hippocampus is an important part of the brain responsible for explicit memory. That is remembering facts and information, learning, normal recognition and recall functions. Therefore, hippocampus and prefrontal cortex are especially critical in studying, learning, and recalling. Having looked at the parts of the brain responsible for memory, let us now examine 4 simple steps we can follow to boost our retentive memory, reasoning and thinking abilities. Number 1. Physical exercise. Physical exercise does not only help with our muscle formation, bones and cardiovascular system but also boost our memory, thinking capacity, improve mood, enhances sleep and reduce stress and anxiety. A wide range of physical exercise including walking, jogging, dancing, playing football, cycling, swimming, playing tennis and other physical activities can greatly enhance the cognitive function. How does physical exercise enhance our cognitive function? During physical exercise, chemical messengers normally referred to as neurotransmitter, like dopamine, serotonin among others are secreted by neurons into brain. These hormones, also called happiness hormones, decreases depression and anxiety resulting in happiness, concentration, ability to focus and enhance calmness. The brain in this state boosts learning speed and ability to memorize easily. Additionally, physical exercise stimulate the growth of new cells which improves brain activity. Furthermore, exercise can increase the size of the hippocampus which is responsible for storing information. Number 2. Good sleep. Having a good sleep is essential in boosting your ability to recall information. Information and facts are temporarily stored at the hippocampus. However, the hippocampus is limited in storage. Once its capacity is reached, memorizing and learning new facts become extremely difficult. This accounts for why people who stay awake throughout the night studying for exam often find it difficult to recall what they learned. Adequate sleep during the night helps the information stored in the hippocampus to be consolidated or transferred to other regions of the brain for permanent storage. Moreover, adequate sleep is a means for the brain to connect new ideas with the old. This intent enhances creativity and productiveness. It is recommended for people between 18 to 64 years to have about 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep during the night, while teens requires 8 to 10 hours. Number 3. Eating well. Proper nutrition and diet are another essential ingredients needed for enhanced cognitive function and learning skills. Findings from research studies has indicated that foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, soybeans, tuna helps in building and repairing brain cells, reduces stress and inflammation. Also, fruits like berries and vegetables helps and protect the memory. Moreover, dark chocolate made from cocoa contains antioxidant which helps to reduce stress and improve brain health. These foods may also stimulate the growth of neurons and brain cells at the regions responsible for learning and memory. Number 4. Brain training games and visualization techniques. Brain games like Sudoku, Scrabble, chess, puzzle, crossword and several others can greatly improve cognitive abilities. These games and activities help to test the ability to recall, visualize patterns and also improve logic and reasoning skills, which produces sharper brain in turn. Research shows that brain training games strengthen the connection between the cells in the brain, hence enhancing short-term memory. Additionally, these games stimulate dopamine and other neurotransmitters responsible for concentration, calmness and memory. Once a puzzle is solved correctly, dopamine is released into the brain, bringing happiness, as well as calming the individual and improving the mental health. In conclusion, these are simple tips to follow to enhance the memory and cognitive function of the brain. Once again, thank you for watching and subscribing to this channel. If this video was helpful, kindly like and share as well.